Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting unable to install Visual C++ build tools, a comprehensive guide. Encountering errors during the installation of Visual C++ build tools is a common frustration, especially when setting up development environments for Python, node.js, or other languages that require native extensions. This comprehensive guide breaks down the common causes, provides step-by-step troubleshooting methods, and even offers alternative approaches, including code examples where relevant. Understanding the problem *. The Visual C++ build tools are a collection of essential components required to compile C, C++, and related code on Windows. They include the C++ compiler, linker, headers, libraries, and other utilities. These tools are often necessary for installing Python packages with C/C++ extensions. Many popular Python libraries like numpy, scipy, and pandas rely on compiled C/C++ code for performance. Building node.js native modules. Node.js projects sometimes use native extensions written in C++ to interact with system resources or optimize performance. Developing C++ applications directly. If you're learning or working with C++ directly, you'll need these tools. Errors during installation can manifest in various forms, such as generic installation failed messages, specific error codes, example 0x80070643, 0x80070005, 0x80070070. Log files indicating issues with component installation or download. The Python pip package manager throwing errors like, error, Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 or greater is required. Get it with Microsoft C++ build tools, https://visuals2dio.microsoft.com/visual-cpp-build-tools/grave. Common causes and troubleshooting steps. Let's delve into the most frequent culprits and how to address them. 1. Insufficient permissions. The installer might lack the necessary permissions to write to system directories or modify registry settings. Solution. Run the installer as an administrator. Right-click the installer executable and select Run as Administrator. This is the first and often simplest fix. Command prompt /PowerShell, administrative. If you're using a command line installer, example through pip, open command prompt or PowerShell as an administrator by right-clicking and choosing Run as Administrator. 2. Conflicting Visual Studio installations or components. Previous installations of Visual Studio or partially installed/uninstalled components can interfere with the build tools installation. Solution 1, uninstall conflicting software. Go to Control Panel - Programs and Features, or Add or Remove Programs. Look for any entries related to Visual Studio, Visual C++ Redistributable, Microsoft Visual C++ Build Tools, or similar names. Uninstall all of them. Restart your computer after uninstalling. A specialized uninstaller tool like the Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter, see below, can be helpful. Solution 2, Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter *. Download and run the Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter, https://support.microsoft.com/enus/topic/fix problems that block programs from being installed or removed. CCA7D1B665A93D98426BE9F92776B2CB, -e9f92776b-e9f92776b2cb. Select installing or uninstalling as appropriate. Choose the Visual Studio or Build Tools component that's causing trouble from the list and let the troubleshooter attempt to fix it. Solution 3, Visual Studio Installer Repair If you have Visual Studio installed, even a previous version, run the Visual Studio installer. Find the Visual Studio instance in the installer. Click Modify. In the modification window, make sure the desktop development with C++ workload is selected. If it's already selected, uncheck it, apply the changes, and then recheck it and apply the changes again. This can sometimes force a reinstallation of necessary components. 3. Corrupted download or installation files ***. The installer files themselves might be corrupted during download or due to disk errors. Solution ***. Download the installer again from the official Microsoft website. Ensure the download completes fully and without errors. Compare the checksum, if provided by Microsoft, of the downloaded file with the expected checksum to verify its integrity. A fresh download resolves many issues. Use the latest installer version if possible. Verify disk integrity ***. Run chkdsk/f/r from an administrative command prompt to check for and attempt to repair disk errors. You'll need to restart your computer for this process to complete. 4. Insufficient disk space ***. The build tools require a significant amount of disk space for temporary files and the final installation. Solution ***. Ensure you have at least 20 GB of free disk space on your system drive, usually C. If space is limited, consider moving large files to another drive or uninstalling unnecessary programs. 5. Antivirus interference ***. Antivirus software can sometimes block the installer from writing to system directories or executing necessary files. Solution ***. Temporarily disable your antivirus software during the installation. Be sure to re-enable it immediately after the installation is complete. If the problem persists, you might need to add exceptions to your antivirus for the Visual Studio installer and the build tools directories. 6. Network connectivity issues ***. The installer downloads components from the internet. Network problems can lead to incomplete downloads and installation failures. Solution 1, check your internet connection ***. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or running a speed test to verify your connection. Solution 2, use a wired connection ***. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more reliable connection. Solution 3, proxy settings ***. If you're behind a proxy server, ensure that your proxy settings are configured correctly in the installer. The installer might automatically detect your proxy settings, but you can also configure them manually if needed. To configure manually, you might need to use the -add source command and specify proxy settings. Solution 4, download and install offline. Alternative approach. This is a more involved process, but it can be a solution if you have persistent network issues. 7. Windows update issues ***. The build tools might require specific Windows updates to be installed. Solution ***. Run Windows Update and install all available updates, including optional updates. Restart your computer after installing the updates. 8. .NET Framework issues ***. The Visual C++ build tools often have dependencies on specific versions of the .NET Framework. Corrupted or missing .NET Framework installations can cause problems. Solution download and install the latest version of the .NET Framework from the Microsoft website, https://.net.microsoft.com/enus/download, https://.net.microsoft.com/n-a/download. *repair.NET Framework *Use the .NET Framework repair tool, https://docs.microsoft.com/enus/.net/framework/install/repair, https://docs.microsoft.com/n-a/.net/framework/install/repair. 9. Long file paths ***. Windows has a limitation on the length of file paths. If the installer tries to create files with paths that exceed this limit, the installation can fail. Solution enable long path support in Windows 10 11th. 1. Press Win plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. 2. Navigate to h-_local_machine/system/current control set/control/file system. 3. Find the long paths enabled dword value. If it doesn't exist, create it, right-click, new-dword, 32-bit, value. 4. Set the value of long paths enabled to 1. 5. Restart your computer. Install to a shorter path * when prompted, select an installation directory that has a shorter path, for example, C/build tools. 10. Specific error codes ***. Specific error codes can provide valuable clues about the cause of the problem. Here's a breakdown of some common error codes and their potential solutions. *0x80070643, fatal error during installation *. This is a generic error indicating a problem during the installation process. Try the solutions above, especially running as administrator, uninstalling conflicting software, and checking for corrupted downloads. *0x80070005, access is denied *. This indicates a permissions issue. Run the installer as administrator. Check that your user account has full control permissions over the installation directory. *0x80070070, there is not enough space on the disk *. This indicates that you don't have enough free disk space. Free up space on your system drive. *0x80131500, the installer has encountered an unexpected error. The error code is 2719 ***. This error is often related to incomplete or corrupted .NET Framework installations. Reinstall or repair .NET Framework. Alternative installation methods and workarounds *. If you've exhausted the standard troubleshooting steps, consider these alternative approaches. 1. Installing via Visual Studio Installer, recommended. This is the most robust and recommended method. 1. Download the Visual Studio Installer from the official Microsoft website, https://visualstudio.microsoft.com/download/ https://visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads, get the Community Edition, which is free for most users. 2. Run the installer. 3. Choose the desktop development with C++ workload. This workload includes the Visual C++ build tools and other necessary components. You can optionally select other workloads and individual components as needed. 4. The installer will download and install the selected components. 2. Installing older versions of build tools, if required by specific libraries. Sometimes, you might need an older version of the build tools to be compatible with a specific library or project. You can find older versions on the Visual Studio subscriptions page. You may need a Microsoft account. Look for Visual Studio Build Tools 2015, Visual Studio Build Tools 2017, etc. 3. Using Conda for Python development, especially on Windows. If you are primarily using Python, Conda, from Anaconda or Miniconda, can often handle the installation of necessary dependencies, including the Visual C++ build tools, more seamlessly than pip. Conda provides its own package management system and environment management. Example Conda automatically resolves dependencies and installs pre-built binaries, which often avoids the need to compile C/C++ extensions from source. 4. Using WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. WSL allows you to run a Linux environment directly on Windows. You can install your development tools, including compilers, within the Linux environment, bypassing the need to install the Visual C++ build tools on Windows. This is a great option if you prefer a Linux-based development environment. 5. Downloading and installing offline components ***. For situations where you have intermittent network connectivity, you can download all the components for the Visual C++ build tools and install them offline. This requires a machine with a stable internet connection to download the components first. 1. Download the Bootstrapper ** Download the Visual Studio Bootstrapper. 2. Download components for offline installation ** Use the vs_buildtools.exe or a similar bootstrapper from the command line with the following options to download the necessary packages to a local directory. Replace download_path with the directory you want to save the files. ** layout download_path specifies the directory where the downloaded packages will be stored. ** add microsoft.visualstudio.workload.vc specifies the Visual C++ build tools workload, ensuring you get the necessary C++ components. ** include recommended, includes the recommended components for the workload. ** lang enus, specifies the language pack, English in this case. You can change this to your preferred language. 3. Install offline ** copy the entire downloaded directory to the offline machine. Then, run the vs_buildtools.exe, or equivalent, from within that directory to install the components. Example, a common scenario with Python package installation and C++ build tools **. Let's say you are trying to install the LXML Python package using pip, and you're getting an error related to missing C++ build tools. In this scenario, if the pip install LXML command fails and you suspect a missing C++ compiler is the culprit, you should follow the troubleshooting steps outlined earlier in this guide to install the Visual C++ build tools before attempting to install LXML again. The Python script serves as a check, and if it detects a missing package and automatic installation fails, it guides the user to manually install the build tools. Collecting logs for further analysis **. If you're still encountering problems after trying the above solutions, collecting log files can provide more detailed information for diagnosis. Visual Studio Installer Logs ** The Visual Studio Installer creates log files in the %temp% directory. Look for files with names like dd_bootstrapper.log, dd_installer.log, and dd_setupstar.log. Share these logs when seeking help from online forums or communities. *pip logs *pip can generate logs with the verbose option. The pip_install.log file will contain detailed information about the installation process, including any errors encountered. Conclusion **. Installing Visual C++ build tools can sometimes be a challenging process, but by systematically addressing the common causes and utilizing the alternative methods described in this guide, you should be able to resolve most issues. Remember to always run installers as administrator, uninstall conflicting software, ensure you have sufficient disk space and a stable internet connection, and check for Windows updates and .NET Framework issues. If all else fails, collecting and analyzing log files can provide valuable clues for further troubleshooting. Good luck.